Those pictures were reported to have been shot or captured by some elements within SSPDF, and an allegation was made that they were the suspects behind the killing of Mayom County Commissioner. We saw the graphic images, pictures, as well as the videos. Those who were executed by firing squad, and the person who was allegedly tied up and burned alive. All the things you had watched did happen without approval or authorization from the leadership of the army. And all those who took part in all the processes that led to the execution by firing squad and the alleged burning of another suspect are going to be brought to book.